What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Andre, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make anywhere from $200 a day just by proofreading. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can proofread and you can make $200 a day. All right, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. And if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say welcome. Excited to have you here. Welcome to the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from, and also hit that bell notification, subscribe to this channel, and become a part of the family. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. Hope you guys are enjoying your year so far. All right, so I'm going to jump into things right away, and I'm going to show you how you can make $200 a day just by proofreading. All right, so we're going to proofread, and we're going to go on this website that's called Freelancer. So I did some research, and I've found out that you can get paid anywhere from $30 or more just for proofreading. So if you enjoy reading, and if you're someone who likes to read, and then when you read you see an error, maybe somebody misspelled something, and you're going through it and you're like, oh wow, they should have fixed this. Now you can get paid by doing that. And I know a lot of people, right, you know, they read a lot and they're like, oh, they see grammatical error, typo, all that kind of stuff, punctuation, spelling. And I'm just going to share with you how you can get paid for your work. So as you can see right here, right, this person right here is proofreading, and they're making $35 an hour. All right, so $35 an hour. So the website is called freelancer.com, right? Once you go on freelancer.com, you'll see some information down here, right? It will tell you how you can sign up as a freelancer, right? All the information down here about this specific websites, and not only proofreading, right? There's like technical writing, there's slogans, there's screenwriting, wiki, research, reviews, test plan writer, speech writing, resumes, Wikipedia. So there's a lot of different typing and also proofreading as well. So if you enjoy typing as well, feel free to check that out. But this specific video is about proofreading, right? And then once you sign up, all you got to do, this is the information right here, because I dug it up. I went and I made sure I did some research. So proofreading jobs, that is here. So if if you're going to publish a book, launch a new website, they're just telling, the customers the options here. Our proofreader projects vary from proofreading websites, PhD themes, articles, web content, all that kind of stuff. So if you believe you could do it, right, then start bidding on proofreading projects and get paid with an average $30 depending on the size and the nature of work. So yeah, if you're someone who reads fast and you decide that, okay, I can pick up a couple pages or maybe 10 chapters a day. I don't know what projects are going to give you, but look at the nature of the work and just use your discretion and just put up your bid. Like right here, these people right here, $33. So I searched here and I found proofreading. So there's lots and lots of people, and people who want to come on here and bid, they can bid on that specific thing. But you want to sign up, right? All jobs are open, all open and closed jobs. Language, you can put in the type of language you want to do. You want to proofreading. That's like .NET, PHP, HTML, JavaScript, all that kind of stuff. If that's what you want, you can look for like local jobs, right? And it's gonna then pull up some local things in your area, full-time jobs, recruiting jobs, featured jobs. And in a nutshell, you could find and you can make anywhere from $200, per day just by using this website. So again, if you are someone who like to proofread, proofread everything, this would be a great gig for you. And I do believe they have like part-time uh, jobs as well, gigs, side hustles that you can even do while you're at work. So if you want to come home and if you do have like couple hours, 3-4 hours to spare, and you want to put some work in, why not? Make some extra cash on the side. And they do have this where you can do like full time as well. So it is great. Check out this website, freelancer.com. And this video is, make $200 per day proofreading. So I hope this video helps somebody out there. I like to make different videos for different people because there's so many people out there and not everybody have the same taste. So that's why I try to, mix up a little bit and talk about a little of everything so I can help as many people as possible. Hope you enjoy this video. You know the deal. Like, comment, let me know if you enjoy that, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, have a great day. Peace.